Good morning, everybody. It's a new week. Let's see what's going on. Last week was just insane, crazy. So, let me show you guys something first here. So, market, I came down, then right now it was just a straight line up, but nothing goes straight up forever. So, then in reality, it could go either like this or it could go like this, then go up again. So that's why they call it bull flag. Once it creates it, then breaks it, goes higher. So we have to see what kind of pullback it gives and what kind of run up we're gonna get later. um, Pre-market right now, futures are very flat, so it's a mixed signal. Maybe some profit locking at open, maybe some pullback. What maybe jump at open. We'll see. I'm gonna go over every name, and then we'll see what's gonna happen. What could happen. ES pre-market right now, there is a lot of mixed signal, but as you can see here, finally after a long time, 4 hours start giving dark blue bars. So that's a signal that the speed of run up is slowing down for sure. And right now MACD 4 hour is curving down, but as I said, right now we are going into this phase. We are about to go into this phase. Not sure if it's gonna be like this, or it's gonna be like a flat consolidation ahead, or it's just gonna be a slow motion going up and then squeeze up again. So we'll see which situation is gonna be this or that one. um, Pre-market right now, 5 minutes MACD is golden crossing. As always, pay attention to the 15 and 30 MACD. If you see 15 and 30 MACD golden crosses, then another run up ahead. But pre-market right now, as you can see here, we got dark blue bar on the 4 hour and 1 hour, and that's show a sign of a slowdown on the run up and maybe possibly consolidation ahead. So I'm just gonna go over both scenario and most of the names that what could happen today. In general, daily MACD's golden cross is very bullish, so trend is up. We don't we ha- we haven't we didn't get, that's actually a surprise. We didn't get a yellow bar on a TTM squeeze, so we need a little bit jump up to get a yellow bar and then continue going up. NQ, same thing like ES, 4 hour and 1 hour. We got dark blue bars. 4 hour MACD is a little bit curving down, but again, pay attention that 4 hour dead cross not necessarily means that, oh my god, we're gonna go up and down right now. It's just gonna be like a market is gonna crash or pull back very hard. No, it could go in the consolidation phase. Puts are not paying. Just keep in mind, puts are not paying yet, and you need a bigger pullback to puts to pay. Maybe they move a little bit, but in general, because the trend is up, algos keeping the market more bullish, keeping their focus on calls and puts. So anyhow, jumping a little bit up right now. So we got a yellow bar again. If you see 1530 MACD, yellow bar on the 15. If you see 1530 MACD, golden cross, run up ahead. But otherwise, most likely it's possible today to be a consolidating day, and some names maybe pull back. The ones that run up so much, some profit lock in there, and we'll see who has a chance to run up. NQ daily MACD is upward. We don't get yellow bar yet there. That's actually surprising. And Dow Jones, 4 hour is kind of getting close to flat right now. And then to do what else? That's actually a surprise on Dow too, that we got red bar again on the weekly. RUT very bullish. This was just crazy on Friday, 3% jump up. But again, we got dark blue bar. I'm not sure why. We got a dark blue bar on the 4 hour, and right now 15 and 5 and 15 is already golden cross on RUT. So small caps does have a chance maybe jump up at open. And if 30 MACD golden cross and IWM ETF of RUT you see jump up, that means the small caps can have another run up at open. TNX, that's the one that's causing trouble and right now, and market is not flying up. TNX went below 45.74 major level and right now is opening above it. Pre-market right now looking 15.30, 1 hour very bullish, 4 hour it's curving. It's kind of getting flat right now, but in general daily is very bearish, and weekly we got dark blue bar and downward. So it's all about 46.52 and 45.74. If it does pass 46.52, then you can expect more pullback in the market. If it goes below 45.74, market can rip up again. DXY flat, it's below 105, and general trend is down. As long as it stays below 105.492, it's good. looking very bearish on daily. Weekly is curved down. Once a dead cross can go lower. 104.369, 103.676, those are the next target for going. If it goes lower, market text can rip up higher. Wicks opening very green today, and but pre-market right now showing some weaknesses, and 5 and 15 is down. 15 the dead crossed already, and 30 we got a dark blue bar. So 1 hour is up, so there's mixed signal, and need to pay attention to two key levels, 1479 and 1586. If it goes above 1586, not gonna be good and can have more pullback. If it goes below 1479, next target is 1373, 1307, and in the past 1307 was a magnet. Below that we can go to 1135 and 962. With this kind of run up, I think we can get close to 10 in next 2 weeks. What else we got here? SPX. SPX is all about 43.62.81 right now. Most likely is gonna open above it. So if we do jump up today, next target is 43.92, 44.22.19 for this week. 44.22, it's possible to come this week. We came this far, so 4400 possible, very high chance to come this week. But again, for today and tomorrow, if we see pullback and 43.50, that's a mental level. If you can hold that one, it's possible to retest 43.26 and go up again. The BTC, BTC looking very bullish on daily and weekly, is establishing a flag every time it tries to break out, and then it pulls back. So we need something very strong, or catalyst or news or something to run this up higher. Apple pre-market right now, 5 is up, 15 we got a yellow bar, but 30 and 1 hour is downward. So again, mixed signal there. Need to pay attention to two key levels. Daily is golden cross and upward. Weekly, it's the bars are the same size, so most likely we're gonna have a yellow bar. It's possible to get a yellow bar this week. Two key levels to watch: 177.23 and 175.82. Breaks 177.23, we're looking at 178.37, 179.51. If it does pass 180 this week, we're looking at 181.13, 183.2. So Apple earning wasn't so great. It pulled back, but then it tagged the long market and came up. So it's all about 177.23. If it passes that one, we can go for run up. If it goes below 175.82, it can go reach this lower level. Amazon 4 hour is already dead cross, so there is weakness there. But as I mentioned, because we are in the we are in the bull market, we're in the bull run right now, the uptrend right now, and you can see here daily is very bullish. Weekly we got a yellow bar on Amazon, and this one run up a lot after earning, and right now this 4 hour dead cross doesn't necessarily mean that, oh, it's gonna go up and now it's gonna go down. No, it means that it's gonna establish a range. Believe me, I tried put on Friday and it did not pay. It came to 137.45 and then it pulled back up. So you need to pay attention for major levels. So 137.45, 136.19, those are the next support. It can again maybe touch it down, then bounce up, and 141.52, that's a key level to watch. Passes that one, we can go to the major level, next major level. Keep in mind, last season 145.86, that was the high of the season. So if anytime this week 141.52 passes, we're looking for next target 143, 145.71, 148.3. Nvidia non-stop run up, and right now we got dark blue bar, so and it's gapping up 3 points. There is possibility some yo-yo at open. Daily MACD is golden cross and upward. Weekly still weak there, but you know, trend is up on the lower time frames, and it's all about 456.96. If it does pass that one, we're looking at 461.09, and above that, next major level is 466.35. This one is on the run right now. Earning is on November 21 or 20, I'm not sure exactly. So it's on uptrend for a pre-earning run up, but need to pass 456.96. Pre-market high is 457.4. Passes that one, can continue higher, but pre-market right now some weaknesses on 15, 30 and 1 hour, so it's possible to have some yo-yo between 447 and 456, up and down between them. If it goes below 447, then it can go for pullback again. AVGO, 884.41, that's a key level to watch. Past that one, we're looking at 887, 891. Above 891, if it breaks it, can easily go to 900, 905.46 this week. Baba gapping up 1-2 points, all about 86, 89. Passes that one, we're looking at 87.59. Very bullish on the 4 hour, daily very bullish, but weekly is still not yellow bar there. Netflix was on the run, yeah, it broke out last week, and right now establishing a range. 4 hour, we got dark blue bar kind of getting flat right now, so it's all about 430, 465. And high of Friday was 432, 433, 430, 482. Breaks that one, we're looking at next target 437.76. Above that, if it breaks anytime this week, 437, we're looking at 439, 443, and 446.77. Pre-market right now 15:30, 1 hour is downward, but it's establishing a range. It does not mean that we're gonna pull back very hard. If 432 can hold it, can retest lower level 430, 426 and 423. Doubt it goes below 423. Meta, it's all about 317. Pre-market 5 minutes MACD is golden cross. 15:30, 1 hour is kind of flat. 4 hours same. Daily MACD is close to have a golden cross. So if it passed 317.29, we're looking next target 320, 324.36 there. Tesla got a news. Yes, please like the video. That really helps a lot. That's the least you can do for me. Tesla got a news that they're gonna announce 25,000 euro, $26,000 car in Berlin, so that's made it gap up. And also on top of that, Elon started announcing the Grok, their AI, and it seems interesting. So Twitter is not public, so people can invest in Tesla. It's kind of a sister company, right? So pre-market right now 15:30 is downward, 1 hour same, 4 hour is still uptrend, and daily MACD is close to have a golden cross. Once that happens, can go for a multi-day green up. 223.67, that's a key level to watch. Passes that one, 224, 226.39. If at any time we break 226.39 this week, we're looking for 227, 229, 230, 250 next target. But again, there is some weaknesses pre-market. There was weaknesses on Friday, so if you can hold 220, 220.94, it can go retest lower level again, 219 and lower. Microsoft was interesting yesterday, last week. As I mentioned last week, we got yellow bar there. The trend is very up there. Any dip can be bought there. Daily MACD is very bullish. It's getting very close to all-time high, which is 364 or 365. And key levels to watch today is 352.34 and 354.81. If there's any symbol you're interested, let me know in the comments. If it passed 354.81 this week, we're looking at 355, 357, 358.81. If it goes below 352, then 349, 348.34 is the next support. Google, 130 is a mental level to watch. Once it breaks 130, 130.04, we're looking at 130.82, 131.82, and if it does break 131.82, can go for full recovery for the pre-market, pre-earning that it had. 4 hour got a dark blue bar, but it's still not dead cross, so it does have chance for run up. We got a yellow bar on the daily. MACD is curved up, so the more market run ups, this one can tag along. Most likely, it can get close to 140 this season. AMD on the run up there too, so it's tagging along. Nvidia too. Nvidia jump up helping it. 112.98 passes. We're looking at 114.22, 115.47, 115.47 if it passes. We're looking at 116.24, 117.48, 118.73. Most likely, it's possible next 2 weeks 118 comes. 4 hours still very bullish. Daily is super bullish. So yeah, this one does have more strength to go up. Boeing, as I keep mentioned last week, it looks very bullish, and it's getting close to 200 right now. 196.91 if it passes that one, we're looking at 198.37, 274, 203.11. 4 hours is not that cross yet, so until then it has chance to more run up. We got a weekly yellow bar. That's a very good sign. Most likely it's gonna have another yellow bar when it opens, and it's all about 196.91. Passes that one, 203 is easy come this week. SPY, pre-market right now, there's mixed signal. 1530 is downward, but it's kind of flat. Market is establishing a range. As I mentioned, it is possible to have consolidation ahead. All about two levels to watch: 434.96 and 436.45. Breaks either one, market can make a bigger move. Above 436.45, we're looking at the 437.77, 439.9, 442.03. If it can hold 430, 496, then we're looking at 433, 46, 432, 54 next support. QQQ, another thing to keep an eye on is if you see QQQ and SPY indexes, mostly indexes, they're 4-hour MACD dead crosses, then that's not gonna be a good sign. So just keep that in mind. QQQ, next target there is if it passed 368.81, next target is 369, 369.59. If it passes 370 this week, today or tomorrow, we're looking at 370, 370.86. 370.86 is a major level. Again, 1530 is downward, so 368.32 is the support. If it can hold it, 367.54 mostly likely is going to come. But again, keep in mind, market is on uptrend, so it's very possible any name touches this support and then bounces up back to the consolidation range. IWM 175 mental level passes that one. We're looking at the 176.39, 178.25. Those are the next major, but just keep in mind we got 4-hour already dark blue bar. TLT, because of TNX, it's pulling back right now. 4 hours dead crossing. 86.03 is the next support there. GS was on the run last week. On Friday, 329 passes. We're looking at 333, 339, 345. Roku showing some weaknesses pre-market. 4 hour we got dark blue bar. 1530 1 hour is downward. Two key levels to watch is 83.37. If it can hold 83.37, next support is 82.31, 81.66. If it passed 85 pre-market high and 86.09 high of Friday, the next target is 86.67 and 88.9. Above 88.9, it can go to 92.09. But just keep in mind, Roku historically this year had two earnings that after 2 days it pulled back very hard. So just keep that in mind. Roku is all about today and tomorrow. If today and tomorrow is showing weaknesses, can go for a bigger pullback. Then later we'll see what's gonna happen. But if today and tomorrow you don't see any pullback and consolidated or consolidates or starts going more higher, then trend is up there and 100 may come even. You never know. Anyhow, PayPal. Another interesting name to watch. This one went down a lot last 1-2 year, and it's coming up right now. So it's all about 56.69. Passes that one. 59.85 is next target there. SMCI make a wild move during the day. It jumps, it pulls back, so it just super wild. I mean, 248, 251, 256, and 262. These are the levels. It's just acting like a yo-yo in between them. Above 262 can run up to 266, 274, 281. LRCX, what I want to do, LRCX need to get over 640. Pass for 640, we're looking at 643, 648, 44. What else you got here? AFRM, these all BS names running up. It is what it is, but market runs up. The most beaten names, they go higher. 2393 passes down. That's the next major level to watch. Passes that one, we're looking at 2503, 2682, and 2861. The lower rates goes and the lower TNX goes, these names can jump up more because people come and get more loans. Coin, all about BTC, but it after earning it jumped up. It went down, then it jumped up. So 89.6, that's a key level to watch. Passes that one, we can go to 93.32, 99.35, and 105.38. Looking very bullish and daily. Weekly is curved up, so it just need to pass 90. 90 passes, 100 can come easily. And also news and any catalyst on BTC can help it jump up. SQ start making a range, and I didn't like the red candle on Friday. So it's all about two levels to watch. Is 49.11. If it can hold that one, next support is 47.82, 46.50 21. Need to pass 50 is strong to run up to 52.26 and 54.61. What else? Got Adobe is on the run there. 574 is the next target. 574.51. Net was running on Friday too. If it passes 65.06 pre-market high, we're looking at 67.94 and higher level. But again, a lot of names 15.31 hour is downward. Just keep that in mind. Airbnb was running on Friday, so it's all about 124.57. Passes that one 126.94 and next major 130. What else you got here? mRNA actually was very interesting. Earning wasn't good. It went down and then it jumped up the day after because market was very bullish. So 79.43, that's a key level to watch. Passes that one, we can go to 84.38. PDD, Chinese names are getting stronger. So 110 is a key level to watch. Passes that one, 114.56 next there. Bidu is starting going on the run, but pre-market right now showing weakness. Need to pass 112 is strong to run up to 113 and higher level. Um, the Carvana, another name that to watch. If rate goes lower, people can buy more cars again. And 34.45, 37.2. DKNG was very interesting. I missed it on Friday. This one open and jumped up. So 34.45, that's a key level to watch. Passes that one. Next major can get close to 40. I have to get the details actually. Yep, that's pretty much it. CLH, the LH, they have a split coming up. So market running up that one. It's already opening above 178.25 and a split. I'm not sure what's the date. I have to get the levels for this one. Yeah. Yep, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for tuning in. As always, if you like, you can join State Option Service. If you want, just level chartwiser.com. Again, there is some weakness pre-market. Some names may start pulling back because they run up so much, and I expect maybe midweek we get a bigger big red day, not so huge, but maybe 0.5%, maybe 1%. Then market runs up again, and but end of the week we should be higher. And it's all this week they have a lot of Fed people talking, and there's a lot of earning coming into. Thanks for tuning in. As always, have a beautiful day, and yeah.